Ever wondered how a delicious vegan sandwich is made? Today, we're diving into the art of crafting this plant-based delight. Imagine this: 2 slices of whole grain bread, fresh, ripe avocado, crisp lettuce, juicy tomatoes, and a slathering of your favorite vegan spread. Sounds tempting, doesn't it? Well, guess what? You can bring this vision to life right in your kitchen. Start with picking your favorite bread. Whole grain, sourdough, or gluten-free, the choice is yours. Make sure it's fresh, because the bread forms the foundation of your vegan sandwich. Next comes the spread: hummus, vegan mayo, or a homemade cashew cream. Pick a spread that tickles your taste buds. Spread it generously on both slices of bread. This not only adds flavor, but also keeps the bread from turning soggy. Now it's time to layer on the veggies. Crisp lettuce, juicy tomatoes, crunchy cucumbers, sweet bell peppers, the choices are endless. Feel free to experiment with different combinations to find your perfect blend. For an added kick of protein, consider adding a plant-based protein source. Grilled tofu, tempeh, or even a black bean patty can add a hearty touch to your sandwich. Let's not forget about the all-important avocado. Slice it up and layer it on. It's a healthy fat source that makes your sandwich creamy and delicious. Finally, cap it off with the second slice of bread. And there you have it, a vegan sandwich that's as nutritious as it is delicious. To summarize, making a vegan sandwich is all about layering flavors. Start with your bread of choice, add a tasty vegan spread, pile on the veggies, add a protein source if you'd like. Don't forget the avocado and top it off with the second slice of bread. Remember, the beauty of a vegan sandwich is in its versatility. You can mix and match ingredients to suit your taste buds, so don't be afraid to get creative and try something new. Who knows? You might just stumble upon your new favorite sandwich combination. Now that you know the secret to a great vegan sandwich, why not give it a try? Happy sandwich making!